I don't know whether this is a good explanation to give right now, but ultimately, it's not for your sake, it's my sake. So, what happened is till yesterday, I was extremely bearish on Motherson Sumi. I've also made a video on it. But now I'm completely bullish on it, not extremely bullish. This looks like extreme bullishness, but again, the delta is positive. Hmm. Good amount of positive in this delta. So, I'm expecting around, yeah, if you see, I'm not hedging, I'm hedging with 87 here, which is almost above that. So almost mostly bullish on this trade. But why is that so? Because of the results which came out. I was shocked to see the results were extremely positive, and my estimates weren't such. I was expecting much lesser, and the only thing which is affected, and even there are, one is the interview which Madarsam Sumi had on this. One is the recent interview which I've seen. This one, you have to see this interview where he tells about the copper pricing and how it might affect. That is one thing. Then is the actual results. So yeah, let me see today's March 29th news. Uh, not this one, not this one. Let's Google it. 7 days ago, but where's the news? I don't know. It's not this one. So I have a Discord channel where the news is posted. So if you see here, the news, it says that, yeah, here. So if you see Motherson Sumi, profit was in this is net profit is rupees 6.5 billion. That is on that, and quarter on quarter it has a huge move. And the next one is again the same thing. EBITDA is again good amount, not extremely high, but if you're seeing the margins have increased, so this will automatically, for me it is re-rating the thing, but it is a huge beat on top of the EBITDA and margins. So that's why I'm completely positive. I was in stocks, I was actually bullish, but in options I was bearish because of the technical details which I've shown in the previous video. But again, I'll show you. So here is a strong resistance, but now I don't really consider this resistance because the fundamentals really support it, and I'm leaning towards the bullish nature of it. I don't consider even the Nifty and others. So here I'm extremely bullish. Also, I made 30,000 on top of it when I was somewhere here, yeah, exactly when it was at 85. I guess I bought it at the top, and again I've explained that it went down and came up, made almost 30,000 in this move. So I'm keeping that 30,000 as a bet on futures. So it can go down. So anyway I have hedge. So I'll continue this position until it reaches, not the previous highs, but at least I make around a lakh on just Motherson Sumi. So I'm expecting a positive bullish move rather than there might be a bearish move right now, but I don't want to be completely bearish. I just want to have a position which looks neutral to bullish right now. Yeah. So that is what it looks like. It looks like extremely bullish, but if you see, I'm risking around 7 lakhs here on the downside. And where is the EMA here? The EMA is around 80, 78. 78, yeah, is around how much would I lose? At 78, I would lose around 8,000 in that move. But what if it further goes down and meets the at 74? Let's see what price we'll have at 74. 74, I'm going to lose all which I've made in the trade. I am going to lose everything. But again, this is on one side of the move. What's about the other side of the move? That is, what if it is going up like 85? I'll be in profits if it's moving all of a sudden to that. But again, so if we can't predict the up move because it came at the later part of the day, almost at 125. So the actions, they might take time to recognize it and impact. But if it is already priced in, I'm screwed that way. I mean, if the market data is already priced in, I'm screwed. But I've removed myself from a bearish view because I didn't want to go bearish, because if it rises all of a sudden to, let's say, 5%, and if it is going to 85 because of the results, it might impact. Let's see how much loss I would have made in the previous position which I had. If it had moved the same, I would have lost around 16,000 despite of if we have not seen the results, right? So right now, if you see, this position would have been profitable. If it's going down, it might be profitable, but in an up move, it would have drastically affected me. So I'm being more bullish, not bearish on this trade. That's it. Thank you.